here. Peace out all. I would like to introduce myself. All of you here. I'm Nina Amelia. My student it is 180142643. I'm from class accounting G. Morning. I take accounting English M.r Adi mursalin. In this opportunity, I would like to answer the question given by my lecturer M.r Adi mursalin. The question consists of the three parts, namely part A, which is related to the accounting theory and its practice, part B, which is related to video of accounting, and part C, which is related to accounting article. We'll start to answer the question part A. What is accounting? Write the definition of accounting to 5 explain. Accounting can be defined as the process recording, summarizing, skill and creative judgment one has been trained in the discipline to be able to form accounting foundation will. Accounting impossible interpret test recording per time, go writing down or keeping recording of business transaction, classifying invoice, grouping similar items that have recording concurrent with transaction and event having financial character. For example, meaning educational employee is audit information with no financial character, salaries. Business transaction expressed in terms of money that are assigned when processed in a accounting system. Interpreting the result, its part, the past accounting information is useless if they cannot be interpreted and understood. What is accounting cycle? And explain in detail the cycle or the stages of accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is a holistic process of recording and processing all financial transactions of a company, from when transactions occur to representation, the financial statement. The accounting cycle is often described a process that includes the following steps: posting the journalized amount to the account site, general and subsidy, ledger preparing and preparing trial balance, preparing worksheet, determining and recording adjusting entries. Maintain the accounting accounts and explain the components of accounting equation. Written as asset, liabilities on equity, show the relationship between the three major types account on the accounting world. When asset correctly, it is liability tool in maintaining balanced company account. Number 4. What is account and why are the as of accounting equation? Account is recording the general ledger, that is asset sold and stored transaction. The supplier has also increased the balance in this current asset account until account receivable and customer will increase the balance its liability account entitled account payable. Number 5. What is the purpose of accounting? Accounting is O. Accumulate and report financial information about the perform financial position and cash flow of business. The information asset right education about how to manage the business or invest in it or lend money it. More. What are asset liabilities and owner equity? Owner equities, stockholder equities, the amount left obtained liabilities are deducted from asset liabilities. Owner equity, for example, when a company borrow money from a bank, the company asset will increase and liabilities by the same amount. Number 7. What is business transaction? Business transaction is activity or event that can be measured in terms of money and which affect the financial position or operation the business. For example, number 8. What are revenue, expense, and withdrawal? For example, revenue, expense, and owner equities. Withdrawals account expense decrease the owner capital. Expense is an example. Withdrawals account the amount of money or asset the owners take or the business. Number 9. Explain the step for analyzing the business transaction. The step in processing business transaction are analyzing and recording process such as source, document the account and it analysis and analyzing and processing transaction such as general ledger, double entry accounting, journalism, and posting and illustration. Number 10. Intention. Seven. Business transaction happening in a company under business transaction analysis. Carry out recording of the company transaction. Analyzing the effect of business transaction, asset and company equity. Effect of buyer transaction on equipment and expeditor on the basic equation of accounting. Preparing report for decision making. The effect of using equipment on the basic accounting. The effect of sales service on the basic accounting equation the company has served in customer. Cecil. Number 2. Cecil Jameson attorney at law is a proprietorship owned and operated by Cecil Jameson. On July 1, 2007, Cecil attorney at law has the following asset liabilities: cash $1,000, account receivable $3,200, supplies $850, land $100,000, office space and office equipment are currently being rented pending the construction of an office complex on land purchased last year. Business transactions during July are summarized as follows: received cash claim for for 150 $150. B. Paid creditor on account $1055. Received cash from Cecil Jameson and additional investment $2,700. The paid office rent for the month $500. Same client for legal service account $2,025. Purchased office supply $250. Received cash client $3,000. Paid received the invoice for the legal service from Legit are for July to be paid August $1,635. Paid the following wages expense $850. Ensuring service expense $2,250. Utilities expense $325. And miscellaneous expense $75. Determined that the cost of his supplies and hand was $980. Therefore, the cost of supplies and assets during the month was $115. Jameson went trade $1,000 in cash from the business for personal use. Instruction. The instruction determine the amount of owner equity Cecil Jameson capital as of July 1, 2007. State the asset liabilities and owner equity as of July in equation from similar to that shown in this chapter in tabular. From below the equation in the set the increase and decrease resulting from X transaction and the no balance after X transaction. Prepare M.r income statement for July. Statement of owner equity for July and balance sheet 2007 for optional prepare a statement of cash flow for July. Part B. In this part, the questions are related to accounting video. You must answer question based the following instruction. A. What is the title of the video? B. What is the speaker in the video watch? C. What does the video tell you? D. Explain the context in detail of the video you watch. E. What are the benefits for you watching the videos? Please open the following links and watch them. Number 1.